What time do you wake up daily?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. every day.
How do you start your morning?
I drink water and stretch for a few minutes.
How do you brush your teeth?
I use toothpaste and brush for 2 minutes.
How do you wash your face?
I use water and a gentle cleanser.
How do you take a shower?
I use soap, shampoo, and rinse well.
How do you get dressed?
I pick clothes suitable for the day.
How do you eat breakfast?
I eat eggs, toast, and fruit.
How do you make your bed?
I straighten the sheets and arrange pillows.
How do you prepare for work or school?
I gather books, laptop, and necessary items.
How do you commute to work or school?
I travel by bus or car depending on traffic.
How do you stay organized daily?
I make a to-do list each morning.
How do you manage time at work?
I prioritize tasks and follow a schedule.
How do you take breaks?
I'll walk around or drink water every hour.
How do you eat lunch?
I eat healthy food like salad or rice with vegetables.
How do you drink water throughout the day?
I carry a bottle and sip regularly.
How do you practice hygiene daily?
I wash hands, shower, and brush teeth regularly.
How do you stay active daily?
I take short walks or exercise at home.
How do you manage emails or messages?
I check and respond during breaks.
How do you read daily?
I read books or articles for 20 minutes.
How do you plan your day?
I list tasks in order of priority.
How do you exercise daily?
I do stretches, jogging, or simple workouts.
How do you prepare snacks?
I cut fruits or make sandwiches at home.
How do you stay focused on tasks?
I remove distractions and set timers.
How do you practice gratitude daily?
I write down 3 things I'm thankful for.
How do you manage household chores?
I clean, wash dishes, and organize items daily.
How do you listen to music?
I play songs while working or relaxing.
How do you talk to family daily?
I call or spend time with them after work.
How do you prepare dinner?
I cook simple meals and set the table.
How do you wash dishes?
I use soap and warm water to clean properly.
How do you manage screen time?
I take breaks and avoid excessive phone use.
How do you sleep well at night?
I follow a routine and avoid screens before bed.
How do you meditate or relax?
I sit quietly and focus on breathing.
How do you check your goals daily?
I review my planner or journal.
How do you manage stress?
I take deep breaths and go for walks.
How do you prepare for the next day?
I set clothes, bag, and schedule ready.
How do you practice reading habits?
I read daily for at least 15-20 minutes.
How do you practice writing habits?
I write notes or a short journal every day.
How do you manage finances daily?
I track expenses and note important bills.
How do you plan meals?
I decide breakfast, lunch, and dinner in advance.
How do you drink coffee or tea?
I prepare it fresh and sip slowly.
How do you practice self-care?
I take showers, moisturize, and rest well.
How do you take vitamins or supplements?
I follow a daily schedule for them.
How do you listen to podcasts or news?
I play them during commute or free time.
How do you practice personal hygiene at work?
I wash hands and keep clothes clean.
How do you practice mindfulness?
I focus on the present moment during tasks.
How do you practice gratitude with family?
I thank them and spend time together.
How do you plan leisure activities?
I schedule reading, music, or hobbies after work.
How do you manage email and social media?
I check them at set times to avoid distraction.
How do you clean your workspace?
I remove clutter and organize items daily.
How do you water plants at home?
I water them every morning or evening.
How do you take short breaks while working?
I stretch or walk around the room.
How do you practice hobbies daily?
I dedicate 30 minutes to painting, music, or crafts.
How do you spend evenings?
I relax, read, or watch shows.
How do you prepare for bed?
I brush teeth, wash face, and change into pajamas.
How do you reflect on your day?
I write notes in my journal or think quietly.
How do you practice gratitude at night?
I list 3 good things that happened today.
How do you organize clothes daily?
I fold and hang them neatly.
How do you plan daily tasks efficiently?
I write a to-do list with priorities.
How do you drink water in the morning?
I drink a glass right after waking up.
How do you practice mindfulness during meals?
I eat slowly and enjoy each bite.
How do you plan your weekend?
I list activities and chores in advance.
How do you manage stress during work?
I take deep breaths and short walks.
How do you practice reading news daily?
I read headlines and summaries online.
How do you manage emails in the morning?
I check important ones and reply quickly.
How do you practice hygiene after coming home?
I wash hands, change clothes, and freshen up.
How do you practice daily fitness?
I jog, do yoga, or simple exercises at home.
How do you plan meals for the week?
I make a list of recipes and ingredients.
How do you practice good posture daily?
I sit and stand straight while working or walking.
How do you drink tea in the evening?
I brew and enjoy it slowly while relaxing.
How do you prepare kids for school daily?
I pack bags, prepare breakfast, and check homework.
How do you manage personal hygiene daily?
I shower, brush teeth, and comb hair regularly.
How do you manage household cleaning daily?
I sweep, mop, and wipe surfaces regularly.
How do you practice mindfulness at work?
I take short breaks to focus on breathing.
How do you spend free time daily?
I read, listen to music, or take a short walk.
How do you manage finances at home?
I track spending and save money regularly.
How do you take care of your skin?
I wash face and apply moisturizer twice a day.
How do you manage stress before bed?
I meditate or read a book to relax.
How do you manage daily learning?
I spend 20-30 minutes reading or practicing skills.
How do you plan meals for kids?
I prepare balanced breakfast, lunch, and snacks.
How do you take short walks daily?
I walk around the block or park nearby.
How do you practice time management?
I set schedules and follow them strictly.
How do you organize your workspace?
I keep essentials only and remove clutter.
How do you take care of mental health daily?
I meditate, relax, and spend time outdoors.
How do you practice gratitude in the morning?
I think of positive things for the day ahead.
How do you manage social media usage?
I set time limits and follow only important updates.
How do you plan your study time daily?
I schedule specific hours for focused learning.
How do you practice daily reading?
I read for 20-30 minutes each morning or night.
How do you manage daily chores efficiently?
I make a checklist and follow it step by step.
How do you take care of clothes daily?
I fold, hang, and keep them clean.
How do you manage meals daily?
I prepare simple and balanced dishes.
How do you drink enough water daily?
I carry a bottle and take sips regularly.
How do you practice self-care every day?
I shower, eat healthy, and rest properly.
How do you organize your digital files?
I sort them into folders and name them clearly.
How do you plan household activities daily?
I list tasks and assign times for them.
How do you practice healthy eating habits?
I include vegetables, fruits, and proteins daily.
How do you prepare kids for bed?
I help them brush teeth, read a story, and sleep.